Okay, so today we're just going to, happy May 21st. Today we're going to do lesson 1-4. Yesterday we did 1-3, adding integers, and today we're subtracting integers. Now remember, subtracting integers is just changing the signs, right? We did this already. We know how to do this. So if I have something that says 2 minus 3, well, what did Miss K teach you? You change that sign to a plus, and then you change the minus to a plus, and then you change the second sign. So this is really 2 plus -3. And you know how to do this. If I have 3 negatives, and then I have 2 positives, these cancel out. And what do I have left? 1 negative. So the answer there is -1, right? Same thing here. You guys know how to do this. I change the minus to plus, and then I change the second sign. So this is a negative, so I'm going to change it to positive. So this, believe it or not, is 5 plus 2. I know that. That's just 7. Okay? So let's try some of these problems. You could see that he's using the number line here, and that's fine. So let's take a look at this. I love football, so this is kind of cool. A football team gains 3 yards. So right away, just for my sake, I like to put a +3 right on top of the problem on the first down, and then they lose -8, 8 yards. What is the total change in yards? So first they gain 3 and then they lose 8. And guess where they end up? They end up at -5. But let's look at that problem if we'd write it. We do 3, because they gain 3 first, minus 8. And again, I taught you this. You know how to do this. You change the minus to a plus, and then you change the second sign. And of course, the answer then is -5, which is what we get here. Okay, not too bad, right? So let's go on to the next problem just so we could kind of practice once more, and then um, we will try some problems in the homework. Okay, -2 minus 5. I taught you this. You change the minus to a plus, and then you change the second sign. So it's really -2 plus a -5. And that's fine. First, we go over -2, and then we have to move 5 more, and that gets us to -7. Okay. Let's go to the math now, because I'm just going to give you the math problems. And you guys know that this is what we've been working on. And I'm going to start you right on this page. Okay. So we're going to start with 7. Okay. Now, this is going to ask you, what model does it show? Well, we could do that. We know what this is. He first goes back how many? 1, 2, 3, right? First he goes back 3, so this is -3. And then he goes back, or he subtracts how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he subtracts 6. Ooh, Miss Kate did that wrong. It's 1, 2, is it 3? Yeah, I think so. Um, oh, I think it's 4. Did I do that wrong? No, no, it's right. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So it's -3, and then he goes back 6, and I could just leave that as a positive right there, because I know I'm going to change my signs. This becomes negative, and then this is -9. Sorry about that, guys. It's kind of confusing to see that there. Okay, but we know how to do this. -9 minus a -5. So -9 minus a -5. I'm going to write that nice and big. Okay, Miss K taught me how to do that. The first thing we do is change the sign. We change it from negative to positive, and then we change this sign also. So it's -9 plus a -5. No, plus a +5. So it's 9 plus 5, which is just 14. Okay, so I want you to practice that. And today, you know what we're going to try to do instead of doing this? I'm going to have you practice in IXL. And I know you guys like IXL better. So let's go there. Okay, so today you're going to try subtracting integers using the counters. Right here is fine. You could subtract that way. And then just C5 and C6. And you only have to do it for half an hour and just to get to 80, smart score of 80. If you want to get a smart score of 100, I'm good with that too. All right. Have a great day, guys. Bye.